So yeah, first of all, have you done? Eden has done, I think, so W3 schools, all the programs. Programs in a sense like all the exercise questions and the quiz questions. Okay, Chandrasekhar has done, Samir, Lakshmi, and Banu. Okay, have you done? Half a. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So let me tell you one more thing. Okay. So now what are the websites we can refer? So tell me what are the websites I have told you to refer. Like one we are doing is what Code Creeper. Okay. Then I have told W3 schools. Yes or no? These two websites I have told you. What are the other websites you have to refer? Yeah, HackerRank. Let me make a note list out there. Notepad. Okay. So we have talked about the Code Creeper. Okay. Then we have talked about W3 schools. Some all I'm talking about with respect to Python only. Okay. Then we have talked about HackerRank. Okay. Then I think only 1% or 2% I have told CodeChef. Okay. I think for Chandrasekhar and Banu Prasad I have told. For others I have not told. Okay. So keeping this CodeChef aside now, or you can add the CodeChef also. If you're having some time, look at the CodeChef. You can just type here CodeChef Python solutions. Okay. You can try it out this one. Same thing, you just copy and paste it, you'll get over here. Python you type here, you'll be getting the solutions. Depend upon what code it is. Because some are old, some are new. Yeah, beginner level in this one. Just you can type like this, okay? Just type like what? Second largest program code. Okay. This you keep in the 3 lines. You keep in the multi-line comment. Then you can copy the program from here. And this you have to keep in the VS code. Okay. A Dropbox, I'll tell you on Thursday. Okay. Thursday. Fine. So in the VS code, what you have to do, these 3 lines you keep in the multi-line comment and you copy it on the program from here. Like programs like what? Second largest program problem. Okay. Suppose if I copy this one now, let me show you how to do this thing. So see the question here. 3 numbers A, B, and C are the inputs. Write a program to find second largest among them. So I want to find the second largest number among them. So first of all, I'll copy this one. Okay. See, Code Solutions, key computer. This is a website. Medium.com is a website. In this one, is a link. Let me share this link with you in the chat box. Please make a note of this chat box. In the chat box, I'm keeping the link there. Okay. Even if possible, I will be sharing it in the group also. Okay. So here I'm just copied this question first of all, these 3 lines. Okay. Right click, copy. So now I have a folder on the desktop. Right click, new folder. Make the folder name as CodeChef. Then 4 p.m. Okay. Right click, open with code. So I'm making my first file there. Okay. So what should be my file name? See, my file name, you give it very simple. What is the file name I have to give here? So say here second largest problem, or you can say here second largest among them. Okay. So you can give the file name as what here? Second largest among them. .py. Okay. Now you have copied this one from here from the side. These 3 lines again I'm copying for understanding purpose. Okay, use 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes. Paste it over here. I have pasted over here now. So I got this is my question now. Second largest problem code. This is my question. 3 numbers. Let me paste the solution also. For now, just do the work. Just copy and paste it. Then later you can understand it. Paste it now. Okay. Save the code. Open terminal window. How to open terminal window shortcut? Control plus tilt button. Okay. Clear screen. Now, for one more time, just run the code. So again, for one more time, I'll press Control C. Keyboard interrupt. Again, I'll run the code now. Okay, so it is asking me to provide the input. Okay, so I'll just type here now, suppose 1. Now asking me to enter some numbers. I'll enter some numbers, suppose 4, 8, 2. Press enter. So you can see the second largest number is what here? 4. Let me provide more numbers. Clear screen. Run the code. I want to provide only one time. So one I'm typing here. So let me pass in numbers 8, 5, 9, 4, 7, 2, 6, or 26, 45, 3. Okay. In this, can you tell me which is the second largest number in the chat box? Second largest number. Yeah, 26. Okay. So now I'll press enter there. So getting the answer as 26. Now, what is this code? You're not able to get it. Okay. What is this code? Why I'm typing here 1 and why I'm passing here multiple values? That is the first thing I'll make you understand here. So here, how many times you want to pass the input? That is the main thing. So you want to pass 1 time or 2 times. Example, Chandrasekhar and Banu are 2 persons. Now Chandrasekhar is saying 5 numbers and Banu is also saying 5 numbers. Okay. So that is what I am just seeing. Suppose here I'll pass now 2. 2 means what I can provide the value to the user here in the input 2 times. First time I'll pass suppose 7, 5, 8, 3, 4. Second time, see I got the second largest number as 7 there. One more time I can pass number, suppose 8, 3, 9, 6, 8. Why 8? Suppose 56. What is the second largest number here again? Yeah, be fast in the chat box. What is the second largest number? Yeah, 9. See. So when I'm typing 1, I am able to pass only 1 time the input. When I'm passing 2, I can provide the input for 2 times. Here it is written as split. Split means what? I can give one space and provide multiple values. So in this one, which is the maximum value, second largest is 7. Which is the second largest here in the minimum? Here in this one, 9. Now you have to think, how can we do this code in an easier way? Suppose I keep this in the comment now. Okay. So see once here, it is my logic. Just is it my assuming? Okay, my thinking. A is equal to input. I'll take from the user. Then print a dot sort. First of all, I want to sort them. Write the code, run the code once. Suppose I'll pass 5, a 7, 3, 8, and 2, 6. So it is not working here. See what it is saying there. String object has no attribute sort because I wrote the a dot sort. So it is not possible like this. So I have to take the list there. So I'll take it as list of input. So again run the code. Again I'll provide values 7, 5, 8, 3, 4. Here. What I'm getting here as none. So first I will sort, then I'll print it. So first what I'll do, a dot sort. Then I'll print now. Print a. Let me increase the font size. So first I have taken a input I'm storing in the list. In the list I'm having a method called as sort. Okay. Similarly, how we have a method called as replace, which is the string concept, or r index or find, okay, count. Similarly, in the list we have a method called as sort. So first I'm in providing the input in the list, then I'm doing sort, I'm printing a. So let me do till there. First of all, clear screen, run the code. 7, 8, 3, 6, 73, some 6, 9, 4, 2. Press enter. See what happens? It got sorted, but I did not keep a space there. So I'll say here what dot split. Now again clear skin. Again provide the values. 6, 8, 3, 9, 2. Here. It got sorted. Yes. The values got sorted. But inside the input, I don't want to take the value of what string. I want to take it as integer. So what I'll say int of x. Okay, just say don't worry for x in input. Okay. This I'll take in the square box. Square box is nothing but what? List. Yeah. Can you tell me once split should be inside or outside? Saying once. This split should be inside or outside. Because in just now in front of you have copied and pasted there above code. Yes, it should be inside. Okay, then the square box closing. So again I'll run the code, clear skin, again run the code. Here 7, 4, 8, 3, 7, 9, 2, 4. Some value I have passed. See, it got it now sorted. So values are coming properly 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Now if I say I just want 9, what I'll do? Tell me once. If I just want 9, the last number, what will I keep here? Can you tell me once? Yeah, everyone respond in chat box. Everyone think now. Because almost I have given you 2 weeks of time. See, I don't want the first one. I want the last one, Chandrasekhar. Think once. 0 means will come to the first one. 1 will come. I don't want the first one. I want the last one. Yeah, everyone try. Think once. How can I get the last value? Yes, -1. So in the square box, keep their -1. So let us try again once now. Clear screen, run the code. So provide some values 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 6. Some values. So when it gets sorted now, what will happen? It will get sorted. So first I'll print sorted, print A, then I'll print A of -1. You'll get a proper idea. So run the code 6, 9, 4, 7, 3, 2, 8, 1. Okay. So what happened? It got sorted. When I do print of A of -1, I'm getting the value as what? 9. If I do A of -2, what will come? Second number will come, which is what? 8. So clear screen, run the code. So suppose 7, 5, 9, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 1. So it will get sorted now. See here. What is the number I got? A of -2 means what? 8. So if you think what is happening here, I am taking the value from the user. I can take multiple values from the user. I am splitting by space. I am sorting them. When I'm sorting them, I'm getting in the proper ascending order. Now, when I say A of -2, it will give me the second number. So this is also one logic to get the second highest largest number among them. Yes or no? Don't you think so? This also logic works. Yes or no? What do you think? This logic is now correct or not? To get the second largest number. First I'm sorting them. What I'm getting the second number. That is my answer. Okay. So some code will be in this way and some code will be in this way. Okay. But you have to know both things. Okay. You can go in this way also or in this way also. But when I'm going in this way now, I am only able to provide the value for one time. One time in a sense like what? Yeah, it can have duplicates, not a issue. Let me suppose pass a duplicates also. Suppose 5, 7, 9, 3, 5, 2, 7, 3, 8. See now I pass duplicates also. Okay, even if I pass duplicates also, not a issue. Because you're printing here A of -2 means what? Second largest number. So second largest number is what is 8. That's getting an 8. But in this code, you can see that I'm able to take the value from the user for one time. But by using the previous logic, I can take the value from the user from one time, two times, three times, five times, as many times as I want. Let me show you once again there. Let me keep my code in the comment. Let me come back to the original code. Okay. Again, I'm running this code. Clear screen. Run the code. So I'm passing the values. 5, 9, anything values you pass, not an issue. Randomly I'm passing. Okay, first I'm asking how many times you want to pass. I want to pass for 4 times. So I'll pass the values now. Press enter. So this is the second largest number. I can type for one more time. This second largest number. Again I can type. One time over, two times over, three times over. One more time I can pass. So this is the first person, he's typing the values. How many times I asked you? 4 times. This is the first time, second time, third time, fourth time. But by using by my logic, what is happening there? I'm able to do only for one time. Yes or no? But by using the program language in this way, I can take the value from the user multiple times, not just only for one time. I can take the value from the user multiple times. Are you getting it now? Understanding it? Yes or no? Let me know once in the chat box. Yeah, everyone type in the chat box. Only Chandrasekhar is there. What about others? Banu Prasad, Lakshmi, Samir. Okay, Banu is okay. Yeah, Lakshmi and Samir. See, by using this logic, I'm able to take the value from the user. First of all, if you have not done HackerRank, then it's not easy for you to understand. First of all, okay, because this is the advanced coding I'm showing you. Advanced coding is in a sense like what? Like suppose we are starting the basics. Now I can think that in my class, some members are mechanical branch, civil branch, and some are CSC and IT. So the code will be different from each and every person. I can write the code in this way also. I can write the code in this way also. Same thing here. When we are done with the basics, this will be the actual code your company is expecting from you. So here what is happening here? I am taking the value of n where I can tell the user how many times you want to take the input. You want to take the input one time, two times or three times. Then I'm using for I in range, which is what taking the loop. I'm providing to the value to the user by using a split means what space. Then it is checking the conditions there. This condition checking will come later out of the part. Okay. To explain this program, what I've done in the easy way, I have done in this way. But in my way, what happened there, I have only taken the value from the user for one time. But in this way, what happened, I can take the value from the user multiple times. So even you can copy this code from here, you can try the logics. How can you take from the multiple times from the user? Okay, fine. So like this, I want, listen very carefully. Okay, like this, I want, see here, mostly your coding questions will come from here only. One is geeks for geeks. Okay, I'll come there also. Geeks for geeks, Python. Okay, one is this much. One more is HackerRank, Python. Okay, so One of mostly your coding questions are going to come from here, like second largest program code, small factorial program, lead program code. Okay, chef and operators program, problem code, helping chef. Don't think about this question here. Okay, read this question first of all. Okay, read this one. Okay, factorial or largest numbers. Like this questions will be coming in the exam. Now, what is my I don't know, but this may you may see in the exam sometimes. Okay, but remember they're not this only questions. There are many questions again. So if you come to GitHub, CodeChef GitHub topics, you can open the first one or any one. Python. Okay, here different types of files are there. Let me go with the easy one for you to understand. Solutions. Easy. Okay, binary distance. You may not have a link of this one. Mm. Remember, CodeChef is something which is always updating once. Let me just type the CodeChef. In a month, 2 to 3 times they are updating the website. Okay, very old ones, but now they're updating every month 2 to 3 times. So you can try the solutions from this CodeChef.com. You have to try the solutions from the Geeks for Geeks. In Geeks for Geeks here, scroll down. You're having the Python basics here. Okay, you can come to your input output, data types. Scroll down a little bit more. You'll be getting the programs also. Click on Python. I can type over here also better. Python problems. Okay, this is a website. I just copied on the website and keep in a chat box. Okay, so Geeks for Geeks is one, CodeChef is one, HackerRank is one, and the yeah, these three now, and the CodeGreeper. Okay, CodeGreeper. Still there are two more. Okay, still there are two more. Remember, this is just have understanding because this is what you're going to do after finishing our course. It will be your responsibility, not my responsibility. But if I tell you at the starting, it will be easy for you to focus on the basics what you are trying to do. Okay, example basic programs. You try, I need every day Python program to add two numbers, maximum of two numbers, Python factorial number, simple interest. I want these programs. Getting it? They're having the question and the solution also. Nothing you have to do, just you have to see program and keep in the VS Code. Here. Solution also available. But at least I can expect you from you to do some modifications, not like totally copying and pasting, at least some modification instead of num1 and num2, you keep it as A and B. At least reduce some lines of code. Yes or no? Okay. So make a note. You CodeChef is secondary part for you, but I want you to do at least CodeChef 2 programs, at least 2 or 3. This is a website, but I want the easy solutions ones. Easy solutions ones are not getting. They're getting all the programs. Let me type for one time. Python practice. Solutions. Okay, note down this website first of all. I will copy this website link, geeksforgeeks.org/python-programming-examples/. CodeChef, I don't want to provide the link. Here I have multiple links for CodeChef. Here. In easy only multiple programs there. Daily they're going to add. You can see here. Name, new. Okay. And if you're login, then you can even able to see the solutions also. Submissions. You have to log in. We can view all the submissions also from the user, which I'll be showing in the next Monday's class. You did this on CodeChef part. But at least I can expect from Geeks for Geeks daily at least three programs at least, or 2 programs. It won't take much time. Okay, just to answer there is solution there. You have to understand. Okay, see these programs are there. If you do, nothing much is important than this one. Okay, is it clear now? What are trying to do next classes? Basic programs. If you type in basic programs, are having multiple programs. Okay, not like one program is it. Multiple programs will be there available. Clear? You can make a bookmark of this link also. Okay, so I'll stop it till here, and tomorrow you're having a holiday. We'll continue on Thursday. Okay, so today if possible you send me the HackerRank 2 program solutions and at least 1 or 2 programs from the Geeks for Geeks. 2 programs, nothing much. Add 2 numbers, maximum of 2 numbers in Python. Is it clear now? Let me know once. Is it clear or not clear? Because again, if I ask Thursday, no sir, I forgot, no, I don't know, that should not be there. Okay, fine. Everything is clear. Okay. So I'm ending the meeting now. Okay, na?